Quick, graph y equals the opposite of e to the x by hand, 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during the video. The first way is with the e to the x dance. Recall that the graph of a function and its opposite are reflections about the x-axis. That is, they have the same x coordinates, but the opposites for their y coordinates. Points will be plotted with respect to the origin. So instead of starting with 0, 1, which would be on the e to the x dance, we'll go with 0, negative 1, go in the opposite direction. The opposite of e to the 0 is negative 1. Recall the powers of e. We need to know these for the e to the x and natural log of x graphs. So instead of right 1 up e, it's right 1 down e, which is about 2.7. Right 2 down e squared, which is about 7.4. Left 1 down the reciprocal of e, which is 0.14. And left 2 down the reciprocal of e squared, which is 0.14. Draw the asymptote, which happens to be the x-axis. Connect the points. And when we compare it to the parent function, you can see that the graphs are reflections about the x-axis. Second way, using a table. Again, here are the values we're supposed to know, the powers of e. We put those in the table. So we're going to keep the x coordinates the same, but take the opposite of each of the y coordinates. So 2, negative 7.4 is our first point. 1, negative 2.7 is going to be our second. So go ahead and finish the table, plot the points, and press resume and continue when you're ready. Zero, negative 1, negative 1, negative 0.4, and negative 2, negative 0.14. We'll connect the points and draw on the asymptote. And again, compare it to the parent function. And again, the graphs are reflections about the x-axis, or they're symmetric about the x-axis.